If you're looking to turn off your Snapchat notifications on your iPhone, it's very easy to do. So there's two ways you can do this. The first way is going through the Snapchat app and going through and tailoring what you want to see or not see. But if you're someone that wants to just turn them off completely, it's very easy to do. So what we can do is go to your settings, and you want to scroll down to where it says apps. And then from apps, instead of going through and finding it, go ahead and just type in Snapchat. Here we go. And from here, just scroll down until you see notifications. And from here, it's going to be very easy to do. Just go ahead and toggle off, allow notifications at the very top. And as you see, it disappears. And that turns off all of your notifications for Snapchat from this point forward. So you will get no notifications as long as this is turned off. And it's that easy, that simple, and that's it.